Why does your scanner show the P0884 engine code? What does it mean? P0884 is a diagnostic trouble code for TCM power input signal intermittent. This error code indicates that the transmission control module is not consistently receiving the correct power supply. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring and connections, power supply issues, blown fuses. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Citroën, Chevrolet, Audi, Hyundai, Nissan, Peugeot, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.